Student, do you know what is the total distance between north and south, and what is the total distance between west to east? So we discuss the total distance between the north and south, and the total distance of west and east. So the total distance between north to south is 3214. 3,214 kilometers distance between north to south. Please note down this distance in your fair copy. 3,214 kilometers. So then our answer is the total distance between north and south is 3,214 kilometers, and the total distance between west to Arunachal Pradesh means east. So then total is 2,933. 2,933 kilometer square. So on the other hand, we can say that the total distance between Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is 2,933 kilometer, and the total distance between Jammu and Kashmir to Tamil Nadu is north and south 3,214 kilometer. Understand? And the total coastal area. So students, do you know what is coastal area? What is the meaning of coastal? So and the coastal area distance 7,516.6 kilometer, the total coastal area of our country. So students, look at the board. Gujarat, this portion is known from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu and Tamil Nadu to here. It is called coastal area. So then our answer is the total distance of our country, especially coastal area of India, is 7,560.6 kilometer. Understand? India is a very large country, but it is not largest country in the world, because the place of India in geographical area is 7, and in population in 2. Geographical area, the total position of India 7 position, and in population India has 2nd position. The first is China. China has a very largest population in the world, and the total geographical area India has 7th position in the world. Firstly, the first is Russia, China, Canada, Brazil, and Australia, and India position is 7th total geographical area. So we can discuss after this some important question for the examination. So the first question is, name the group of islands lying in the